On Tuesday, Japan experienced a setback in its efforts to compete with Elon Musk's SpaceX in the space market. The country's space agency Jaxa was forced to blow up its new H3 rocket after its second-stage engine failed shortly after launch. This failure comes as a significant setback for Japan, as the H3 rocket is the country's first medium-lift rocket designed in 30 years. Observers are viewing this event as a significant blow to Jaxa's attempts to establish itself as a key player in the space industry.